Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the true giants of the sky, the biggest airplanes ever built. From transporting heavy cargo to carrying hundreds of passengers, these machines are feats of engineering and aviation mastery. Let's explore the largest aircraft that dominate our skies. First up, the Antonov An-225 Mriya, a name that literally translates to dream in Ukrainian, and boy does it live up to that name. This beast is the largest cargo aircraft ever built, with an impressive wingspan of 88.4 meters. That's almost the length of a football field. The An-225 was originally developed in the 1980s to transport the Soviet Union's Buran space shuttle, but since then, it has become a legend for hauling oversized cargo around the globe. It can carry up to 250 tons of cargo. That's like loading 2,500 grand pianos or more than 1/200 average cars. Its 6 engines are so powerful that they produce a combined thrust of 51,600 pounds. No wonder it needs a runway almost 2 miles long to take off. When you see the An-225 in flight, it's nothing short of mesmerizing. The sheer size of this aircraft defies belief. Imagine a plane so big that it can carry an entire train or even an oil rig. The tail is as tall as a multi-story building, and the cargo hold is big enough to swallow a full-sized bus. Switching gears to passenger aviation, let's talk about the Airbus A380, the largest passenger aircraft in the world. With a wingspan of 79.75 meters, it's almost as wide as the length of a football field, and it can carry a staggering 850 passengers in an all-economy configuration. That's a flying hotel, right? It's basically a skyscraper on wings. The A380 is designed not just for size, but for luxury. On long-haul flights, this super jumbo offers incredible comfort. There's a full onboard bar, private first-class suites with full beds, and spacious lounges. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the journey itself. And when it comes to takeoff and landing, the A380's 4 engines produce a mind-blowing 70,000 pounds of thrust each, ensuring it can get off the ground despite its massive weight. Next, we have the iconic Boeing 747-8, the longest commercial airplane in the world, measuring over 76 meters in length. This giant is a true workhorse of international travel. Known affectionately as the Queen of the Skies, the 747-8 can carry up to 660 passengers in a 2-class layout, and with its sleek design and powerful engines, it's one of the most recognizable aircraft in the world. What sets the 747-8 apart from the others is its versatility. It's a true jack-of-all-trades, often used for both passenger flights and cargo transport. The humpback design of the nose allows for easier loading and unloading of cargo, and the nose itself can be raised to provide direct access to the plane's hold. This feature is particularly useful for transporting large equipment like industrial machinery and vehicles. Now let's move to the military side of things with the Lockheed Martin C-5M Super Galaxy. This enormous aircraft is not only massive, with a wingspan of 67.9 meters, but it's also one of the most versatile cargo planes ever made. The C-5M is capable of carrying oversized military equipment, like tanks, helicopters, and even large trucks. It features a nose that can tilt up, allowing for quick and easy loading and unloading directly from the ground without the need for special ramps. What makes the C-5M even more remarkable is its ability to operate in rugged environments, such as unprepared airstrips and military zones. It has the power to carry the weight of an entire combat battalion, and its range allows it to fly long distances to provide rapid global military support. Whether it's transporting tanks for battlefield operations or delivering aid during natural disasters, the C-5M is always ready for action. And lastly, we have the Airbus Beluga XL, a truly unique cargo plane that looks like a flying whale. This quirky design is a product of necessity. Airbus built the Beluga XL to transport large sections of its own aircraft for assembly. With a wingspan of 63.1 meters and a length of 66.9 meters, it's essentially a giant flying cargo hold. Its unique shape is optimized for carrying unusually shaped cargo, such as aircraft wings or fuselage parts. Despite its bizarre look, the Beluga XL is one of the most efficient cargo planes out there, and its mission-critical role in the aerospace industry cannot be overstated. Imagine a plane so large that it's dedicated entirely to moving parts for other planes. And it's capable of doing this across Europe, often at night to avoid air traffic congestion. It's a great example of how aviation adapts to meet the needs of the industry, even if it means creating something that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. So which of these sky giants blew your mind the most? Would you want to fly aboard an A380 or experience the power of the An-225 in action? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of massive aircraft, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome aviation content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time with more high-flying fun.